In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the WooCommerce order received page. If you're looking to customize the thank you experience for your customers, you're in the right place. Now, let's dive into the process to enhance your WooCommerce store by editing the order received or thank you page. First, we need to install a plugin that gives us the flexibility to tweak this page according to our needs. Open your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. Once you're there, click on Add New. In the search bar, type in Thank You Page for WooCommerce. Once the results appear, find the plugin that matches the name and install it. After installation, remember to activate it to start using its features. With the plugin now installed and active, it's time to configure the global redirect. This means setting a URL where all your customers will be directed after they complete a purchase. To do this, stay on your WordPress dashboard and go to WooCommerce, then head over to Settings. Under Settings, look for the Products tab. Once you're there, you'll find the Thank You Page for WooCommerce options. Here, you'll see a field where you can enter the global redirect URL. This can be a custom thank you page that you've designed using your favorite page builder, like Elementor or Gutenberg. By setting this global redirect, every customer who completes a purchase will be directed to this specific page. It's a great opportunity to create a page that aligns with your brand and engages your customers even after they've completed their purchase. But what if you have specific products that deserve their own unique thank you page? This plugin has you covered. You can set per product URLs, which will override the global setting you just configured. Here's how. Go to your products and select the product you want to set a custom URL for. Scroll down to the product data section and you'll find a thank you page option. Enter the specific URL for that product here. Now, when a customer buys this particular product, they'll see this tailor-made thank you page instead of the global one. Finally, let's talk about building your thank you page. This is your space to express gratitude to your customers, provide them with additional resources, or perhaps suggest other products they might like. You can use popular page builders such as Elementor or Gutenberg to design a page that resonates with your brand. The flexibility of these tools allows you to create visually appealing pages without touching a line of code. And there you have it, an easy way to customize the order received page on your WooCommerce store. This not only enhances the customer experience, but also reinforces your brand's connection with them. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this guide helps you elevate your WooCommerce store to new heights.